Dear friends, we've gathered here today to learn how to make blizzards with this cool little
$10
blizzard maker from JCPenney.
outlet.
Yeah, that. But guess what? It sucks. Major, you know what. Okay, so there's this cool thing you get here, right? It's really sweet. And you put like ice and water in here. So
And a shit ton of salt.
Yeah, like 3/4 of a cup of salt. So that way it can like make your ice cream. It's like a little ice cream maker. But it says Dairy Queen and Blizzard on it, so you can sell it for a lot more. But we made the little solution. Well, first we went to go make it, and we're following the directions. And here at direction number 6, it says separate container in a separate container. Combine 3/4 cup of half and half cream with a packet of vanilla mix. So here's an example of the vanilla mix. We had this. We didn't have half and half cream, so we had to take a little journey to get some half and half cream from our local gas station, basically. And then we get to step number 8. Pour the cream/powder mix into the middle canister. My friends, let me show you what happens when you pour this mixture into the canister. If it doesn't do it this time, I'm going to be really ticked.
It's not coming out as much this time.
Well, that is a bonus, because...
Oh, nope, it's coming out the little nozzle.
Yeah. You see this? Do you... Perfect. This is Dairy Queen quality for you folks who don't know it. Let's make it really fast. Maybe it'll work. Where's the handle? Okay. Go! Is it dripping still?
Why didn't we put a cup there?
Oh my god, we're so stupid.
Oh my god, we could have just put our cups there.
Okay.
Where's it go?
I don't even know how much is in here. Don't put it down there yet.
I'm not.
This stuff sucks. Wait, we need to continue reading the directions, Try. Okay. Turn handle clockwise for 10 minutes!
What the?
Or until desired thickness is achieved. And we're done. Okay.
And we're done.
This cannot be a 10-minute long video. Okay, we actually have cream that's sitting in there. So what we're gonna do is just move this nice person thing and set that little cup under there. Shai, would you like to hold the bowl so we can scrape what's off the counter? It's just stupid thing. Is it like thicker?
I think so.
Good. That means it stayed cool. It's missing. It's missing everything. I hate this crap.
We should have just made milkshakes.
I know. We'll make a video for that. Okay. That's why the towel's on the floor, people.
Ew, there's a hair in it.
That's my hair, sorry.
And we continue to scrape.
By the way, the hair didn't come with it.
Okay.
Try, you're flinging it on me.
Sorry.
Okay.
At least it tastes good.
Can you grab that washcloth over there so we can clean off the counter? Alright. Go, 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 go. Now don't spill everywhere, your mother. Is it still spilling? I put the cup under there. Is it working?
It's actually not spilling that bad.
The whole thing's moving.
There's just a video of nothing for like 5 minutes.
Well, it was really scraping. You know, good stuff. Quality TV right there. Oh, my laundry's done. Okay, there's gotta be a ton spilling out because there's like no left in here.
Oh yeah, there's a lot in that second cup.
I just see it dripping on the camera. Like every 2 turns. It's just boop, boop. I do not waste all this salt for this thing not to work. Are you like pushed in all the way? I would like to call Dairy Queen and complain. Okay. You know what YouTube should have? When they say like upload a video like this, they should have like a little bit of video editor on it. So that you can just straight up edit your video. Can we just eat it?
Yep. Oh, you got one on the counter, baby.
I did it! Oh my god, damn. This is dripping. It is steadily dripping. I'm really ticked that I invested my hard-earned $10. Oh my god.
Okay. And go. Go quick. Go quick.
Oh, okay, so now there's no mud.
So, Pop Rocks and Pop Rocks.
I think you're only supposed to use one Pop Rock. Oh no, it's dripping it.
Put it in the sink.
Okay. Move with the towel. Save it, you mother beeper. This just failed. I'm really pissed that I bought $3 half and half. That is how not to make a DQ fake at-home blizzard.
Because then you get liquid blizzard shots.
All over. Shots. Wait, put Pop Rocks in it. Maybe it'll make it. Okay, they seem to be leveled out a little. But literally, the cups are like shot size. Fantastic.
Got it.
They do give you Pop Rocks though, so I mean, I guess that's pretty
Win-win.
nice of them. What are you doing?
Ready?
No,
One sec.
I'm confused. Oh, I know what you're doing. wait until we go to take these bad boys. Spoon? They come with cool plastic spoons though. Pretty stoked about that. Oh my god, it's a little bit thick. It's not like ice cream thick, but it's a little bit thick. There's no way I can down this in one go.
Nope.
It's a big shot. I promise. This kind of sucks.
These Pop Rocks are not authentic Pop Rock.
But not. They're poppers. Not even
And they taste
spelled
like
with
medicine.
They do. Okay.
Well, here we go. Oh wait, wrong song. Time out, guys.
Album in stores July 7th. Bitches.
If you're not drunk, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to
Stop.
let's do it.
Okay.
LMFAO, you know it. Let's go. Yeah. All of the alcoholics, where you at? Let's go.
This is so gross.
Are we waiting for this first shot?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I can't take this whole thing at once.
I know. Drink.
Oh my god.
Let's fast forward. Oh.
So disgusting. It's like bubblegum flavored Pop Rock. And it's really, really disgusting. I can't believe you just took that.
I did it!
You did it! I've got this much left. The whole thing. I can't tilt it any farther or it'll spill out. That's what I want.
So convenient.
You're shy.
It felt like it was exploding in my
You're such a champ!
Can't wait to your partner.
I'm gonna be 21 before all of you guys.
Exactly, so we can go out and get out of here.
Oh, is that how it happens?
Yep.
No, because that's illegal, Cyan.
Okay.
Splashing with water. That's cool.
Okay, we can turn this off now.
This really just sucks. Don't buy it. Unless. Oh my gosh, Cyan, you can't turn the water off?
Maybe if you buy the full price one, it might be a little bit better. But
Or-
the $10 one sucks.
I mean, it worked at first. I think the Pop Rocks were what's nasty.
Because the mixy stuff was pretty good.
It just tastes like melted ice cream. Yes, I'm eating this off the counter. With my cold food. It's delicious. Okay, well,
Bye.
toodaloo. Except for now, since it's on my webcam, we have to stop.